Today I'm here at the show representing Unilever. The show's been brilliant. I've only just got here, so I've got to go around and look at some more bits and pieces. My first demo was really good though, considering it was the first thing in the morning, so lots and lots of people. Some great produce which I'm excited to go and look at later, particularly the meats. So yeah, great.
I try to support Harlech because they support me for the rest of the year. I've seen some very exciting new exhibitors and some very exciting new products. Their shows are always very good and it's better than ever this year.
It's my second time in England as a technical advisor of the company. I'm in charge on the export department, so we travel around 85 countries in all the world, making this demos to make understand to our customers and the people basically how they can use these ingredients.
I thought with it moving upstairs as well was quite a big risk, but I think it's been hugely successful. The live demo areas and the number of footfall has been amazing. I'm definitely going to be back next year.
This is the third year I've been. Each year it gets bigger and better. This is the first year I've been allowed to come along and demonstrate as well. What you do get to see, you get to notice that the show's getting bigger, which means the company's getting bigger, the company's getting better, and it's a company that I'm obviously involved with, so it ticks a lot of boxes for me.
I'm Lee Patton and I'm the Customer Development Representative for Unilever Food Solutions UK. I think this is my 9th year on a run that I've been here. As always, it's an incredibly busy show. We haven't had time to stop all day, as is always the way. It's a brilliant show, it's really well attended, really well supported by the wholesaler.
It's been a really good day. I mean, I'm very lucky I get to go a lot of these shows. And you know, the footfall's been tremendous and it's been a really good turnout. It's been a great day.